All right, so today I wanted to give you guys a look at the Air Jordan 10 in the cement colorway, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. So you can see they have the OG style box from the Air Jordan 10s, which I think is a really nice little nod to the originals. The originals, though, were actually a lot smaller than these boxes. And there's a look at the tag right here. You can see it's light smoke gray as we open it up. All right, so here we have it. And big shout out to Hibbett Sports for sending me this pair. If you guys missed my family unboxing video, go check it out. It was a fun one to do. The wife got a pair, the kid got a pair, and then I got a pair as well, which are these ones right here that I'm going to be reviewing in this video. So this Air Jordan 10 model has a really familiar sort of vibe to it with this cement pattern all over the shoe. It's inspired by the Air Jordan 4, if you guys didn't know. And actually in the last Jordan Brand Classic, they had these featured, but it was kind of rumored whether or not they were going to end up releasing. And then, of course, later in the year, we found out that they are actually releasing, which is this Saturday. So for those looking, check the link in the description. You guys can purchase a pair for those that want them. But as you can see, most of the upper feature that white and black speckled paint over top of the gray. And then you have the top section here where the laces come up. That is all in black. The laces themselves are black. The tongue is black, and the liner is black along with the pull tab. So it's kind of cool how this section right here is different than the rest. But these layers here, here, and here are all the same with that cement look. You have a white midsole, white and black with an infrared sort of Jumpman at the bottom. And for those that have never actually looked at the bottom and read all of the different stats, this is just something that they added in that was kind of cool back in the day. 85 Rookie of the Year, 86 63 points, 87 scoring title, 88 dunk champ, 89 all defense, 1990 scores 69 points, 91 2 and 3 MVP and championship, and then 94 and beyond. And that was when the original Air Jordan 10s came out. And if you guys didn't know, actually they had the original Air Jordan 10s had a toe cap. All right, so while we're reviewing this, I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my OG pair. As you can see here, this is the Air Jordan 10 box in the original form. An interesting thing is the box actually just said Air Jordan on it. It didn't say Air Jordan 10 or anything like that. Retail price was $125 back at the old GOAT store JCPenney. And this is a steel colorway of the original Air Jordan 10s. And this is something that I wanted to show you guys. So this one originally had a toe cap right here on the Air Jordan 10s. You could see that this one actually has a toe guard on it also, and you can see on this pair there is no toe cap or toe guard on this shoe. So kind of interesting how they changed up the Air Jordan 10s through the years. But if you guys like the fact that I grabbed my OGs out for this video, leave a thumbs up on the video maybe. It definitely goes a long way, and it is much appreciated that you guys do that. Also, I wanted to show you guys a comparison between the paint splatter on the Air Jordan 4 as well as on the Air Jordan 10. And it looks fairly similar, as you can see, but it's actually different. The 10 actually has a white and black paint speckles on it, but meanwhile, the Air Jordan 4s only have the black paint speckles. But I think the overall execution on this Air Jordan 10 is actually pretty nice. It's definitely a change of pace, and it's kind of cool that they took one of the most iconic features of the shoe and decided to go ahead and do the all-over print. We have seen an all-over elephant print as well as patent leather on some of the Jordan models, but we've really never seen an all-over print of the cement. So I think that is kind of a cool little nod to the originals. I think that they look really clean, and I'm really thankful that Hibbett actually sent me a pair of these. If you guys have not shopped at Hibbett Sports before, check them out because they do have a really cool release calendar, let you guys know of the up-and-coming releases that are scheduled to drop. They've only had an online presence for the last year, but they've had like 1,000 brick-and-mortar stores. Definitely worth checking them out. Anyways, that is the video. What do you guys think about the brand new Air Jordan 10s in the cement colorway? Leave a comment in the comment section. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more sneaker content. I post almost every single day. And notification bell if you want to be notified when the videos go live. At this time, if you guys want to click the screen and watch any of the other videos on my channel, feel free to do so. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. More videos soon. Peace, guys.